Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 series live images. Hands-on leak again. Deep design details. Samsung Galaxy S23 series is all set to go official on February 1. Just a day before the formal debut, alleged live photos and hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S23. Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra have leaked online again. The leaked renders show the camera placement, color, and design of the upcoming flagship. The Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus appears to have a triple rear camera unit, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra, in contrast, is seen featuring 4 camera sensors at the rear. A live image shared by tipster Ice Universe offer a glimpse at the design of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. The vanilla glass S23 is shown in a cotton white shade, while the Galaxy S23 Plus is seen in misty lilac color. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is visible in a botanic green color, and its screen is shown to have a centrally aligned hole punch cut out to house the selfie camera. The Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus are shown with a triple rear camera unit and an LED flash. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the other hand, is seen equipped with a 4 rear camera unit and LED flash. The design of the handset and placement of the camera setup appears to match what we saw on multiple leaks earlier. Separately, a Twitter user leaked a hands-on video and another set of live images of the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, at the time of writing, the video appears to have been removed. As per the screenshot via same mobile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 6.8-inch QHD Plus display and a 4 rear camera units comprising a 200 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 210 megapixel telephoto sensor. Renders also suggest S Pen Sport 256 GB, 512 GB storage option, and a 5000 mAh battery on the handset. As of now, Samsung has not confirmed the final moniker of the Galaxy S2023 series. The South Korean tech giant will announce all the details in its Galaxy Unpacked event on February 1. The event will start at 11:30 p.m. IST on February 1, and it will be live streamed via the company's official channel. The Infinix Zero Ultra has a decent set of specifications on paper. But does the phone justify its high asking price? We discuss this and more on Orbital. The Gadget's 360 podcast. Orbital is available on Spotify, Ghana Juiceon, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Amazon Music, and wherever you get your podcast. Stop the Galaxy S23 release date speculation now. Samsung has effectively made it official by announcing a Galaxy Unpacked event on February 1. The event will be held in San Francisco, getting underway at 10 a.m. PT. That's 1 p.m. ET and 6 p.m. GMT. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.